Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a co-applicant on Zillow. So first, you may want to head over to zillow.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, hover your mouse on Manage Rentals, then click on Applications. So from your listings, click on your property listing. This will then take you to the applications page, and to get started, make sure that you toggle accepting Zillow applications on. Then next, for you to be able to add a co-applicant, you're going to need to send them the application link. So you can also copy this link by clicking on this chain button or directly send them the application link. Just add in their email address, first name, and last name. So this will serve like an invitation for them. And once they accept the invitation, they will automatically then be added as a co-applicant. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!